Hey guys, Train Buddies here. I'm Mike.
And I'm Chris.
We are here it's near Alexandria, Kentucky.
It's the Lambs Ferry tunnels.
The one that we are by right now is abandoned. No use.
As you can see, there's no rails on the ties behind us.
There's a digger back there. He's probably removing the rails that are back there. There's still rails at the crossing back there. There's a road right in front of us.
We'll show you around here in just a minute. It's CSX line, 2 tunnels.
Yep.
One behind us abandoned, the other one's still active. Hopefully we'll see a train while we're down here. That'd be pretty sweet.
Yeah.
But even if not, some cool tunnels, train tunnels, cool. Don't go through active tunnels though, not smart. Yeah. All right, stay tuned.
Still says no trespassing though.
Yeah, this is, I think this was the northbound tunnel, but I'm not 100% sure.
I wonder if it either goes around the turn or if it's
I believe it. I believe so. I believe it's curved inside the tunnel.
This tunnel is abandoned.
Yep.
Nothing goes through here anymore. There's 2
Well,
of them.
no trains anyway. As you can see, there are not even any rails.
Kind of creepy how dark it is.
Yeah.
If we go far into it, we better get a flashlight.
Hello. Echo.
Doesn't go very far. Roof is high.
Yeah.
Gotta be high for that clearance of intermodals and auto racks.
We can go in
A little bit more.
a tiny bit. I don't want to go in too far. Oh, it's definitely getting echoey now.
Yep.
Someone forgot their McFlurry or something. Dunkin' Donuts. I cannot see light from the other side yet. Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know how. I don't think they closed. I don't think they closed it. But I can't see anything down there.
I can see the slightest bit. I think it's opens, but it's covered by trees.
Maybe. I think there's some sort of little doorway here. I don't know. We weren't really prepared for this. You can bring a flashlight.
Smells funny in here.
Yeah. Smells like.
I can see black on the roof.
Smells like railroad ties.
I can see black on the roof from exhaust.
Oh, here's another little. This is what I saw over right down there. Looked like a little doorway, but maybe it's just a little. I don't know if it's for
People to get off the track or something.
Yeah, if it's for a worker to get off the track, but it's really close to the entrance, so I don't know why they would have that here. Maybe a piece of equipment used to sit in there, some sort of light or.
The railway box?
Yeah, who knows? Not sure. I bet somebody knows, but I don't know. I thought that we would be able to see the light on the other side of the tunnel.
Maybe it's just super broken. I think there's a way to get to the other end of the tunnel, you know, walking through it.
I believe the other side of I think the tracks on the other side come out kind of up in the woods. Like I don't think there's really a good access to the other side. Yeah, like you said, other than going through. So cool. That's the abandoned tunnel, part of it on the Lambs Ferry line, Lambs Ferry Road.
Alright guys, here is the digger that we're going to show you. Crossing right back there. You can see the rails, and then there's no rails back there with the tunnel. There's the active tunnel. If we go around here, you can see the end way down there. The other way you can't see much because it goes around a bend, but right here have a CSX digger of some sort, and it has train wheels right here. We won't get on it, of course. That would be trespassing, but showing you around, showing you.
It says up here in the sign, it's from the Bryan Park Roadway Shop. It's a high rail tie handler. It's got a bucket on it, a scooper on it, so.
I think he's probably ripping out, yeah. But he's probably ripping out the ties or something. There's an old railroad box over there too. Show you the crossing. These rails, surprisingly, I think these tracks were the main CSX Main 2.
Yep. CSX Main 2 on this side, CSX Main 1 on that side.
Right there says.
One of these was northbound, the other one was southbound.
We believe this one was northbound?
Yeah, I think Main 2 was northbound and Main 1 was southbound, but I could be wrong.
Signs on the crossings still said 2 tracks, but, well, there are 2 tracks, but one is not in use. Railroad crossing, 2 tracks. This one has a gate, those ones do not.
From this angle, standing here, it looks like Main 1, the tunnel, it looks like the tunnel is taller than Main 2. So that could be part of the reason they stopped using the second tunnel.
For clearance, because tall auto racks and intermodals?
Yeah, could be. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just speculating, and it could just be an optical illusion, but it appears that the tunnel on the left is taller than the tunnel on the right.
Yeah, I believe it is. Huh?
Maybe you can zoom in a little bit.
There is the one in use. There's the one not in use. You can kind of see. One's shorter than the other.
All right.
All right.
Well, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be back with a train.
Keep watching for trains.
Here it comes. Got a headlight in the tunnel. Listen.
You can hear it. I wonder if you can feel the wind of it coming off.
We'll find out in just a minute.
Action. My camera at least.
I think that breeze is coming right out of the tunnel.
Yeah, from the train.
Yeah, I think the train is forcing the air out of the tunnel, causing that breeze.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That was pretty cool. CSX Herzog Train coming out of the tunnel.
Yeah, we weren't sure if we'd catch anything or not, but we got lucky and we sure did.
Yep.
We could still hear the train horn a couple miles down the track. The horn echoing through the valley. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I think that's probably it for tonight. Single track here. Don't think we're going to get much more action. So what do you got to say, Mike?
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Like and subscribe.
Train
Train buddies out.